What I love about making food content so much is that you have to think of something new. You have to try something new. You have to cook something new. So, I mean, every day I get to eat something different. I'll drink to that. Cheers. We're gonna start with the chicken marinade. Little baby chicken smack. And now smack those thighs. Couple tablespoons of oil. I have avocado oil, you can use olive. About a half cup Greek yogurt. The zest and juice of 1 lemon. Tablespoon of minced garlic. And all of these seasonings will be in the description below. If your chicken doesn't change color, you did it wrong. Did I get that right, golden balance? And now this goes into the fridge for at least 2 hours, but up to 24 hours. I'm probably gonna pull this out at the 4-hour mark to start cooking. The chicken has been marinating for about 5 hours and I've grown impatient, so now it's time to skewer this and get it on the grill. This is going on the big green egg at 300 degrees until it's done. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165. At that point, we'll pull it off the grill, we'll let it rest, and then we'll make something delicious. We're gonna make the tzatziki sauce. I know I'm butchering. We're gonna start by chopping up some mint, dill, and cucumber. In the Golden Balance's video, he said if he catches us throwing away the seeds, it could be bad. So here comes the airplane, babe. We didn't waste the seeds. Zest and juice a whole lemon. A little tube garlic because I'm lazy. And about 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. This recipe is by The Golden Balance. If you don't follow this guy, you need to go check him out. Absolutely incredible, and he's right. This came out absolutely refreshing.
Oh, that's really good.
It's refreshing, right?
Refreshing, very.
It's been about 2.5 hours and this cooked at 300 degrees the entire time. It smells absolutely incredible. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes, then we're gonna get into it. Gotta give this a taste. Packed with flavor. That's amazing. That meat is just falling apart. That's for me. That's so good. It's time to make these gyros and pour ourselves a drink. What I love about this is that we take simple ingredients and we make something absolutely delicious. And anybody can make this from the comfort of their home. You don't need a grill, you could do this in the oven. Let me know if you want to know how to do that. And shout out to The Golden Balance for his tzatziki recipe. Absolutely delicious. I found this pita bread at the farmer's market in Modesto this morning. So if you're ever there, check out Hummus Heaven. The chicken is seasoned and cooked to perfection. Number 1. That tzatziki sauce, it's absolutely refreshing. It's delicious. So check out The Golden Balance. It was his recipe. I'll link it below in the description. And if you want to know where I got that skewer, the link will also be below too. This is amazing. You definitely got to try this. Woo! So good, so damn good. If you like this content, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, share it with a friend, and most importantly, just hit that subscribe button. And maybe one day that extra one will be for you. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Cheers.